Using AT20 bit to remove the 16 screws securing the handle assembly. Open the handle assembly. Separate the terminal connector. Remove the handle assembly. Using AT15 and T20 bits to remove the 8 screws securing the front housings. Using AT10 and T20 bits to remove the 9 screws securing the rear housing. Loosen the screws and remove the shaft and motor. Remove the black tape, then unplug the motor and electrical assembly connector. Remove the battery connector, PCB, LED electrical assembly, and switch from the main housing. Install a new PCBA and insert the wires in wire traps. Install the switch, LED electrical assembly, trigger, and insert the wires in the wire traps. Install the motor and shaft, then plug in the motor and electrical assembly connector. Secure the rear housings with screws. Secure the front housings with screws. Install the handle assembly. Secure the handle assembly with screws.